Okay, this is a double wander for the bigger one. This is the move arm. Okay. When the pipe is coming, the move up will move to the first wander. And when the pipe reach to this place, then the arm will fall down, and then the winding will start. Okay, and then the winding will start. So in the control system, there is adjustable for the position and the time for when you winding different diameter of pipe, the position is different. Okay, and the winding start, and when the first wander is full, you can see the winding meters. And then when the winding meters is reached, then the wander is full, and then it's going to the next wander. The wander A and the wander B. Yeah. Okay. The wander A is full, and then the arm will go to the wander B. Okay. So when the arm reaches to the wander B, then the same action will work again on the wander B. That the arm will first lift up and then move forward. And then when the pipe reaches the wander, then the arm follow down and the arm go back. And then the winding starts. And then the wander fall, then go back to position A. Okay, so the same function, the same act we have to do again. Okay, bye.